Hello guys, welcome back to Almas. Today we're gonna continue about Unit 2 about short conversation dialogue. We're using the technique from our critical listening book, Preparing for TOEFL. Before continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Almas. The main topic we're gonna understanding in this material is preparing for TOEFL listening part, knowing general tricks for short conversation that happen in listening test, and practicing how to answer short daily question in critical listenings like this. Why listening in TOEFL is very important? The background is such for test question. TOEFL listening is our critical test section where audio is played only once between two speakers, followed by three speakers that asking question. Why short conversation become part of TOEFL listening? TOEFL listening features with short dialogue between two speakers, followed by question from a third speaker about what was said or implied. What are the characteristics of short conversation dialogue? Short conversation dialogue are brief, one time only exchange. They are conversational in tone and require careful attention to meaning, not just word. So the speaker only speaker number 1 and speaker number 2. Meanwhile, the speaker number 3 will ask what is talking about in short conversation. What general tricks to help answer short conversation question? We need to focus on second speaker response, recognize synonym in answer choices, eliminate wrong option, and preview the next question when possible. The objective is with this presentation aim to explain about Unit 2, that is short conversation dialogue, meaning to help student understanding TOEFL and preparing TOEFL listening, and develop the strategy to answer the short conversation question more confidence. So the method to understanding the short conversation in critical listening is step 1. We need to introduce that short conversation dialogue in listening is a format that happen as a test how they appear in TOEFL listening part A, and to explore the strategy to be focused on second speaker, that is a trick in the short conversation listening trick, and understanding to build confidence. We're gonna introduce what is a part of short conversation, and we're gonna learn from the dialogue, and we learned it from the dialogue, we're gonna get some trick to answer for critical listening later. To preparing this type of test in critical listening, we have to able and make adapt with mini practice. Mini practice is preparing to add more daily, more more bank of answer in our knowledge. It's like this. This is the part of mini practice. Listen to the short conversation. Man, I think the test was really difficult. Woman, I agree. I could hardly finish it. The question is, what does the woman mean? This is the part of short conversation in critical listening. We have to adapt. We have to know from speaker number 1, talk with speaker number 2. This is really happened. This is in our daily. It happened in our life, and we have choose the answer. We have listen the answer. This is the answer. A. The test was easy. The test was difficult. C. The test was cancelled. D. The woman did not take the test. The correct answer is B. Why the B is correct? Focus on the second speaker response. When short conversation happen in listening, we have to focus in second speaker. The woman agree with the man. Her word, I could hardly finish it, are synonym for difficult. Option A, C, and D are not supported by anything said in the conversation. Here, we're gonna prepare for the exercise. Please listen to the question, and you may take a guess about the correct answer. Start with the question number 1. I'm gonna play the MP3.
Example question 1. Suggestion question. Conversation. Man, I don't think I can finish the assignment tonight. Woman, why don't you ask Professor Brown for an extension? Question. What does the woman suggest the man do? A. Finish the assignment tonight. B. Ask the professor for more time. C. Help Professor Brown. D. Cancel the assignment.
Continue to the exercise number 2.
Example question 2. Inference
question. Conversation. Man, are you going to the library after class? Woman, I would, but I have to meet my advisor first. Question. What can be inferred about the woman? A. She will go to the library before class. B. She cannot go to the library immediately. C. She does not know where the library is. D. She already met her advisor.
Now prepare to question number 3.
Example question 3.
Inference question. Conversation. Man, did you enjoy the movie last night? Woman, it was much longer than I expected. Question. What does the woman imply about the movie? A. The movie was too long. B. The movie was very short. C. She did not watch the movie. D. She expected the movie to be longer.
After you have now the answer, this is the type of short conversation in listening, and this is the correct answer from the short conversation that we have studied before. And the conclusion for short conversation in listening, we have to focus on the second speaker. Actually, they are speaker number 1 and speaker number 2, and speaker number 3 will ask the question. We have to focus on the speaker second. Usually contain the key answer to choose the correct answer with similar meaning or synonym. We have to eliminate the wrong choice and prepare for the TOEFL listening. Okay, that's for our material today. This is the part to boost your confidence in TOEFL listening. Thank you for your attention. That's the end of the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.